Ever wondered how consumer law can help repair your credit? Today we'll unravel this mystery. In the vast world of personal finance, credit repair is an important aspect that often gets overlooked. It's a journey that begins with understanding your credit score, a 3-digit number that reflects your credit worthiness. Lenders use this score to determine whether you're a high risk or not. A high score often translates into better loan terms and lower interest rates, which can save you an abundance of money over time. But what if your score isn't as high as you'd like it to be? That's where credit repair comes in. It's the process of improving your credit score by identifying inaccuracies in your credit report, negotiating with lenders, and establishing healthier financial habits. The path to a better credit score isn't always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Now, you might be wondering, where does consumer law factor into all of this? Well, consumer law is a group of laws established by the federal government to protect individuals like you and me from unfair business practices. These laws ensure that businesses operate with transparency and fairness, especially when it comes to financial products and services. For instance, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, a key piece of consumer law, requires credit reporting agencies to provide accurate information about consumers. If a credit bureau is reporting inaccurate information about you, you have the right to dispute it and seek corrections. This is just one of the ways consumer law empowers you to take control of your credit repair journey. Furthermore, laws like the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act protect consumers from aggressive and unfair debt collection practices. It's important to understand these laws because they play a pivotal role in your credit repair process. Understanding consumer law is not just about knowing your rights. It's about using the law to your advantage to improve your financial situation. And that's what we're here to explore. So buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into credit repair and consumer law. Understanding consumer law is the first step in leveraging it to repair your credit. Consumer law isn't just about protecting you. It's a tool at your disposal for credit repair and remedies. It's like having a shield and a sword to defend and fight for your financial health. But how exactly does it do that? Let's delve deeper into the specifics. One of the key pieces of legislation in consumer law that has a direct impact on credit repair is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. This act was designed by Congress to promote accuracy, fairness, and privacy of information in the files of consumer reporting agencies. It's a powerful tool that can be used to dispute inaccuracies on your credit reports. Here's how it works. If you find an error on your credit report, you have the right to challenge it. That's where the FCRA comes in. It requires credit reporting agencies to investigate disputed items. If the creditor can't verify the information you're disputing, the credit reporting agency must remove it from your credit report. This can lead to an immediate boost in your credit score. But that's not all. The FCRA also gives you the right to know what's in your file, and the process used by creditors when they verify an item. You have the right to request and obtain all the information about you in the files of a consumer reporting agency. This includes your credit score, which is completely separate from your credit report. There's also the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA. This act restricts the ways in which collection agencies can contact you and when. It also gives you the right to dispute the debt. That's another layer of protection for you. But remember, these laws are tools, not magic wands. They require effort on your part. You need to monitor your credit reports regularly, identify any inaccuracies, and dispute them. It's not an overnight process, but it's a necessary one if you want to improve your financial health. To wrap it up, consumer law is an integral part of credit repair and financial literacy. It provides you with the right to challenge any inaccuracies on your credit report and ensure fairness and privacy in the credit reporting process. It's a tool that empowers you to take control of your financial future. Consumer law provides you with the right to challenge any inaccuracies on your credit report. Now that you know your rights, how do you exercise them for credit repair? Let's delve into the steps to use consumer law for credit repair. The first step is to identify errors. These inaccuracies can range from wrong personal information to incorrect payment history. To do this, you need to get your hands on a copy of your credit report. Everyone is entitled to one free credit report every 7 days for now from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Scrutinize these reports carefully, make copies, and mark any inaccuracies you find. Once you've identified the errors, the next step is to write a dispute letter. This letter should clearly state the errors you've found and request that they be corrected or removed. Send the letter certified mail, green return signature receipt. It's crucial to be specific and detailed. Include copies of documents supporting your claim. Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Each credit bureau has its own procedure for filing disputes, but never ever dispute online. This will limit your ability to take legal action. After sending your dispute letter, it's time to follow up. The credit bureaus are required by law to investigate your dispute within 30 days. If they find that your claim is valid, they must correct the error on your credit report. However, if the bureau disagrees with your dispute, don't lose heart. You can request a copy of the process which they use to deny your dispute along with the person who performed the procedure. What if the credit bureau fails to respond within the stipulated time frame? Don't worry. Consumer law has got your back. You can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, Federal Trade Commission, BBB, and the Attorney General, where you live and where the agency resides, who will take up your case with the credit bureau. The process may seem tedious, but your perseverance could lead to a better credit score. Remember, a good credit score can open up new financial opportunities for you, so keep your chin up and keep pushing for that perfect credit score. It's not just a number, it's a reflection of your financial health. Investing wisely can also be a powerful tool for credit repair. It's a statement that may surprise you, but it's absolutely true. Now let's dive into the hows and whys. One of the primary ways investing can aid in credit repair is by increasing your income. A higher income can help you pay off your debts and hence improve your credit score. But it's essential to remember that not all investments are created equal. Some are risky, while others are more stable. Your choice of investment should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. For instance, if you're comfortable with taking on more risk for potentially higher returns, you might consider investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. However, these options are volatile and could lead to losses. If you prefer stability and are willing to accept lower returns, bonds or high-yield savings accounts could be your go-to options. They offer a steady stream of income, albeit at a slower pace. Real estate is another sector where smart investments can help increase your income. Purchasing a rental property can provide a consistent cash flow stream, which can be used to pay down debts and improve your credit score. But be aware, most real estate investments require substantial capital upfront and come with their own set of risks. Another tip for investing wisely is diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help manage risk and potentially increase returns. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may perform well to offset the loss. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and understanding of the market trends. It's also crucial to regularly monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. Moreover, investing doesn't replace the importance of budgeting, saving, and paying off debts. These are still fundamental aspects of credit repair. However, investing can supplement these efforts and potentially speed up the credit repair process. Investing is not just about increasing wealth, it's also about improving your credit health. So, take the time to learn about different investment options, make informed decisions, and watch your credit health improve as your wealth grows. So, consumer law and investing can both be your allies in credit repair. As we reach the conclusion of our journey today, let's take a moment to look back at the ground we've covered. We started by introducing the concepts of credit repair and consumer law. We discovered that credit repair is not just about paying off debts or cutting up credit cards. It's about understanding the system, knowing your rights, and using the law to your advantage. We dive deeper into the role of consumer law in credit repair. Consumer law is like your shield, protecting you from unfair practices and giving you the power to dispute inaccuracies. It's your right to ensure your credit report is accurate, complete, and up to date. Then, we took a step-by-step journey through using consumer law for credit repair. We found that it's not a one-time fix, but a process. It involves reviewing your credit report, identifying inaccuracies, filing disputes, and following up diligently. It's about standing your ground, knowing your rights, and holding credit bureaus accountable. We also explored how investing can be a powerful strategy for credit repair. Investing not only builds wealth, but can also improve your creditworthiness. Whether it's investing in real estate, stocks, or bonds, a good investment strategy can help increase your income, reduce your debt, and improve your credit score. But remember, it's not about quick fixes or overnight success. It's about being proactive, staying informed, and sticking to your plan. It's about understanding that mistakes happen, but they don't define you. It's about knowing that you have the power to change your financial future. And so, as we wrap up, I urge you to take these lessons to heart. Use consumer law and investing as your allies in your financial literacy journey. Be diligent, be proactive, and don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. Remember, repairing your credit is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, stay diligent, and watch your credit health improve over time.